Gear up to tackle the email setup on your Ubuntu EC2 instance within OS. Begin by signing into AWS and going to the EC2 service. Select the Ubuntu instance you manage and verify SSH access. SSH into your instance. Update your system by running update and upgrade commands. This gives you the necessary packages. Next, install an SMTP server, likely Postfix. During setup, pick an option that fits you, such as internet site. Now, configure Postfix. Carefully edit the files with your domain and server details. Make sure your instance's hostname and domain are correctly configured. Also verify configurations like my hostname and my domain. In your AWS security group, you must open the required ports, usually port 25 for SMTP. Also ensure inbound rules are adequate. Final step, configure your DNS records. Set up reverse DNS, SPF, and DKIM records to improve email deliverability. Consider using Amazon SaaS